This is the Rock Cart Pro professional live gig and studio equipment transport roller cart. This heavy duty cart is able to hold equipment up to 700 pounds and was designed for smooth and easy maneuverability on any surface, whether flat or bumpy. This cart is made from the thickest gauge steel tubes that gives the cart its strong design to last over multiple years of use, and it's powder coated to make it rust proof. And the cart features a quick folding mechanism that allows you to fold the two handles down for easy transport or storing. And the folding mechanism has a reinforced design so the handles won't bend or break after multiple use. Another cool feature of the handles is that you can fold one down and actually use this cart as a hand truck. The Rock Cart Pro can also extend in the center to 5 different positions just by using one quick release push pin and 2 tightening knobs on the side, which gives you all the different lengths that you might need to transport your larger professional equipment. And even when you have the cart fully extended, it is very easy to steer because the 2 front wheels are swivel wheels that can turn in any direction. The 2 front wheels also have locks on them, so when it's time to unload your gear, you don't have to worry about the cart rolling away. Now there are also 5 different additional accessories you can purchase that attach to your Rock Cart Pro, which will allow you to organize and carry additional items to your gig or help you transport your gear a lot easier. The cart ACC is a 5-pocket accessory bag that slips right over the handles of the cart like this. The bag also has pockets that allow you to hold additional items like cables, microphones, laptops, tablets, sheet music, batteries, power strips, extension cords, and much more. So you can use the zippers to open the pockets up, place your items right inside, and then close the pockets up with the zipper. After that, you're good to go to your next gig with your Rock Cart Pro. And when it's time to store your cart, you can fold it up just as normal, and the accessory bag folds with the handles as well. The cart floor adds a panel to the bottom of your cart so that your gear stays stable as you're bringing it from gig to gig. It comes with 2 panels, so you can use one when you have the cart in its condensed position, and when you have the cart fully extended, you could use both panels. The panels line up to the bottom of the cart and then latch up to the rails on the bottom of the cart for a super secure and sturdy fit. The panels are also capable of holding up to 700 pounds of gear, and it just makes transporting big equipment much easier to do. The cart shelf allows you to add an entirely new row to place gear onto on top of the cart. Just like the cart floor, it comes with 2 panels, so we can add one if we have the cart in its shorter position, and the second one if we extend the cart fully. The shelf attaches super easily and securely with the included butterfly screws, and this shelf will give you even more storage to transport gear, bags, and more. The cart stand bag is great to transport your gear while having it secured to your cart. You can take the bag and slide it over the handle, place your gear inside, and then you can use the strap at the top of the bag to secure it. From here, you can travel with the cart and your gear without having to worry about anything falling off. The cart wag is a large bag that can hold multiple pieces of gear at once while sitting on your cart. So you can place the bag in the center of your cart, place all of your gear inside of it, and then use the strap to further secure the items inside. It can also slip over the handles of your cart just like the cart ACC for a more secure fit. It also has handles on the side so you can take the bag with the gear inside right to the stage and load it out for setup. And you can decide which of the 5 accessories you need for your Rock Cart Pro and then mix and match them for each gig. The Rock Cart Pro is a versatile and built to last equipment transport cart that will fit all of your moving needs. So if you're looking for a professional and strong live gig and studio equipment transport roller cart that can hold up to 700 pounds, look no further than the Rock Cart Pro from Rockville.